We are hiking in Muir Woods, and there's no one else around. We are in San Francisco at Black Sands Beach, and there's no one on this beach but us. Oh my God, there's a bike next to me! Good morning, everyone. So we are already in the car, and we are headed to Muir Woods. If you don't know about Muir Woods, it's where all the really big redwood trees are. So I hope you enjoy this day.
Hello! We're going to Muir Woods. The understory. Redwoods are the tallest trees on earth, but have surprisingly shallow roots. Stepping on these roots and nearby soil stresses redwoods and prevents hundreds of species from growing on the forest floor. In turn, insects and other wildlife that depend on these plants lose habitat. Help us to preserve this forest for future generations.
So first we were down there, and now we're way up here on this trail. These trees are so big.
Imagine if we had to hike. If we there was a trail that went directly up.
It's so far down.
If one of us falls.
We thought we were gonna get lost on the trail, but it literally just loops around. So we were up there, and now we're down here. She was walking like she was about to die. Oh my, it's like 20 feet wide. I thought it was like really thin from the side. All right, well, we have been walking in Muir Woods for about 3 hours now. We got a little lost. We got a lot lost. We think we're on the right trail back, and now it's kind of a race against time. It's about 4:41, and the last bus leaves at 7:30. So we have to definitely get, and we have about 2.5 more miles. Oh, we have smokehouse almonds, water, and ice drink. Aww. We're almost done. Maybe, sort of.
Believe the people that told us.
Maybe. We've been hiking. It is 5:23. We started at 1 o'clock. It's ridiculous. We made it out of the woods.
Alive.
Alive. That was rough going downhill. Knees are shaking, legs are shaking. Wait, what do we do? What? I thought we were clear, and we come to this, and we have to go somewhere.
Alright, I'm gonna go. We're like, oh, we're there.
Just when you think you're there. Well, the bright side is very pretty. But what parking lot are we at? I feel like this is not where we're supposed to be. I don't know. We made it to a parking lot. Not sure if this is the correct parking lot where we started. We're back on the bus. It's time to get back down this mountain. All these people are still in line for the shuttle. Where are you? There you are. We made it! Yay!
It's like to kiss the ground.
After a wonderful day of hiking at Muir Woods, we decided we had to check out the Golden Gate Bridge. And it was so worth it. We heard about a beach nearby called Black Sands Beach, and we had to check it out. We just had no idea that it would be an adventure getting there.
This is so crazy. Move! There's a car behind me! We're both gonna die! 18% steep. With the sun in our eyes.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
This sand better be black, black, black.
Oh my god, I'm so scared. The car behind me is probably like, why are they going so slow?
No, it's 15 miles an hour.
I'm going 20. I'm practically in. Oh my god, there's a bike next to me!
Peace sign.
He's gonna
Flying. Just flying down this hill. Do you see the biker?
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Oh. We were trying to figure out how to get down, and we got our answer. After going up.
I can't look that way, I look that way. Oh. How do you get back up?
I don't know.
I have no idea either.
Take a sharp left turn.
Sharp?
That's your destination.
I don't want to take a sharp anything. Oh, right there. What? Oh, is it right here? Oh.
Arrived.
Oh, wait, what?
I think you walk down. Oh, it is so steep going down these stairs.
Okay, don't do the camera turn.
How many stairs are there? There's like no one here. There's like a million stairs to get here, but we basically have the entire beach to ourselves. Oh. So we just wanted to come all the way down so we can touch the sand. All right, we just wanted to come down here for a second. Now we are leaving because it was a billion stairs to get down here, and we have to go back. It's freezing cold. It's really, really cold. Okay, we're almost to the car. That was a long hike down, but totally worth it. Too bad the sunset on the other side. Oh, it moved a little.
We were like, oh, this hike is only going to be an hour.
The hills are alive. I think that's clouds. Oh, we have been walking for hours. My sister has been hiccuping for hours. Picture.
Yeah, close to your face. Scary.
I'm gonna fall. It's probably not a good idea to walk backwards. Okay, how far are you going, child? We just want a simple picture. The higher you go, the longer you fall.